Mysterious numbers. These numbers, well, they're positive. There are two of them. And their ratio is 2 to 6. When you add these numbers, you get a sum of 64. Sure, there are different ways to go about this, such like guessing and checking. But let's go ahead and solve an equation. That 2 to 6, well, it's 2 what? And 6 what? If we're talking sum, we would add these up. Okay, so 2 times something plus 6 times something is 64. That's 8x. 8 times what makes 64? Divide by 8. Okay, to answer the question about 2 what, that's 2 8s. 2 times 8 plus 6 times 8. That is 16 and 48. Does it work out? Do they add to make 64? Yes, they do. Well, there we go. The two numbers in ratio 2 to 6. Not off the hook just yet. Let's find two positive numbers with the same ratio that have a product of 432. Again, well, that's 2 what? We'll call it 2x. And 6 what? The operation here, if we say product, we mean multiplication. Well, 2x times 6x, that's 12x squared. We can solve. 12 is the weakest link. We would undo multiplication with division. When we do, we've got something squared makes 36. We would undo the square with the square root. And yes, we've learned to say positive or negative 6, but we're looking for only a positive number. So we'll say, to answer that question, 2 what, 6 what, that would be 2 times 6. And 6 times 6. So 2 times 6 is 12. 6 times 6 is 36. And we could check just to be sure. If you multiply 12 times 36, does it equal 432? Yes, it does. The end.